Hello and welcome to Getting Started with ZippyDoc. In this video, we will show how to use the CROSSTAB task in ZippyDoc. This task can be used to quickly create numerical or text summaries of data tables. The dataset we are using in this example contains sales information for a team of salespersons. Each row of this table is a sales entry that contains details about the salesperson, territory, and product. We want to create a summary table that shows the product sold by each salesperson in each territory. In order to get started, we need to add the data table to a ZippyDoc flow. You can find more information about how to add a table to a flow in our previous video. In this case, we have already added the table to a flow. We then add the CROSSTAB task to the flow. We do this by clicking the Select Task button and choosing the CROSSTAB task from the available list of options. The task has now been added to the flow, and we can update the description of the task. It's always a good idea to briefly describe what a task is doing. In this case, we'll type in Sales Summary. We can then start entering the parameters. The first pane in the Parameter tab is Select Input Table. In Select Table, we will select Data. Next is the Select Options pane. In Group Data by these values, we will select Salesperson. These will become the row headings in the Output table. In Change Column Header, we will select Territory. These will become the column headings in the Output table. And in Values for New Columns, we will select Product. These will be the entries that will be summarized. The method for aggregating values will be concatenate, as we are summarizing text data. If we were summarizing numerical data, we could have selected a mathematical calculation like sum, average, and count. Next is the Define Output Table pane. In Output Table Name, we'll type Output, and we will leave the other fields unchanged. And now we can run this task. Once the task has been executed, a new output table will be generated. We can see that ZippyDoc has created a new tab named Output, which has products summarized for each salesperson in each territory. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video series for ZippyDoc. We will see you in the next video.